So in this video we're gonna see how we can restore Windows photo viewer in Windows 10 or 11. So as we know, the Windows photo viewer was very popular in Windows 7, but currently in Windows 10 or 11, if we try to open any image file, by default it will be opened using the Photos app. But suppose we wanted to open this image using the Windows photo viewer, then we can do that pretty easily and we don't have to download anything, because the Windows photo viewer is still there, but it is just disabled in the Windows 10 or 11. So we don't have to download anything, we just have to restore it back using the simple registry file. So here we have nice article in tensforum.com. So I'll also put this link in the description. So here it shows the step-by-step process that we have to follow to restore the Windows photo viewer back in our Windows 10 or 11. So when we restore this back, we're gonna have this option to open with the Windows photo viewer. So here we have multiple options to restore the Windows photo viewer. First of all, we can restore the Windows photo viewer for only one account. For that we have to download the registry file, and also we can undo the restore. For that we have to download this registry file. And also suppose we wanted to restore for multiple users, for that we have to download this registry file, and also we can undo the restore using the registry file here. So because I wanted to restore for all the users, so I'm gonna download this registry file. So here the file is downloaded. So here we have the downloaded registry file. So we have to right click and then click on merge. Now here we have to click on run. Now here it is asking to continue, so I'm gonna click on yes. So we have successfully added to the registry, so we're gonna click on OK. So we are pretty much done. So here we have one image file. We have to right click and then click on open with. So here you can see we have the option to open with the Windows photo viewer, so we're gonna click on that. So you can see we have this image, and also we can set this as our default photo app. So for that we have to click on choose another app. Here we have to check this box, and here we're gonna select our Windows photo viewer and then click on OK. Now every time we wanted to open any image file, it will be by default open with this Windows photo viewer. And also in our default app setting, from here we can choose this Windows photo viewer as our default photo viewer. So this is the way we can easily restore Windows photo viewer in Windows 10 or 11 without having to download any kind of application. Thank you.